you're a big fan like me of mushrooms, this is a recipe that you shouldn't miss. So let's see a quick and easy recipe for mushroom pepper fry. In a pan, let's heat up 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 2 green chilies, I've just cut them into half, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida, 6 to 8 garlic sliced, few curry leaves, let the garlic change color. Next add in 1 onion shredded. Cook the onion till nice and soft. The onions are cooked and now I'm going to add in 1 tomato finely chopped. Cook the tomatoes till nice and soft. Here I have 20 to 25 mushrooms that I've cut into thick slices. Cook the mushroom down. They're going to shrink a lot in size, so make sure you cut them into big pieces. While the mushrooms are cooking, let's add in all the dry spices. I have coriander-cumin seed powder here, so around a teaspoon of that. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Just a pinch of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. As you can see, the mushroom has oozed out a lot of water. So just to thicken the gravy, I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Give it a stir. The mushrooms have cooked down completely. Turn off the flame and now I'm going to add in salt, coriander leaves and some crushed pepper. Salt to taste. Coriander leaves. And our star ingredient, some crushed pepper. Make sure it's coarsely ground and not a fine powder. This can be eaten just by itself like an appetizer or can be eaten with hot rotis or paratha. Do give this quick and easy recipe a try and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.